Everybody under 40 is obsessed with the same 5 badges. Meanwhile, there's a small list of SUVs that ride smoother, brake less, and cost less to keep than anything trending on car TikTok, and almost nobody over 60 has been told they exist. That ends today. These aren't flashy. They won't get you a nod from a 25-year-old at a stoplight. What they will do is start every single morning, seat you like a recliner, and let you drive to 80 without a single unplanned trip to the shop. These are the 5 nearly perfect luxury SUVs nobody's talking about, and exactly why they should be. Let's start the countdown. Number 5. The Buick Enclave Avenir. Say the word Buick to most people and they picture their grandfather's sedan. That reputation is exactly why this SUV flies under the radar and exactly why it's such a quiet win. The Avenir trim starts around $55,000 to $60,000 new, and used examples with 30,000 to 40,000 miles run $28,000 to $35,000. Here's what you're actually getting. A cabin that's nearly silent at highway speed, thanks to active noise cancellation and thick acoustic glass. Genuinely one of the quietest 3-row interiors at any price point, luxury badge or not. The captain's chairs in the second row are heated and cooled. The seating position is high enough for an easy step in and step out with no awkward drop into a low bucket seat. And the ride quality favors smooth and composed over sporty and stiff, which matters more the longer you're behind the wheel. Reliability data from Buick's full-size SUV platform has been consistently strong for nearly a decade, with the 3.6-liter V6 proving to be a genuinely low-drama engine. No turbo complexity, no dual-clutch transmission, just a proven 9-speed automatic that doesn't require a specialist to service. Maintenance costs run closer to a Toyota than a European luxury brand, and GM's dealer network means parts and service are never more than a short drive away, which matters a great deal once you're not interested in driving an hour to find someone who knows your car. Number 4. The Infiniti QX60. This is the SUV that consistently gets overlooked because Infiniti spends less on marketing than its German rivals, not because the product is lacking. New pricing runs $45,000 to $60,000 depending on trim, and used examples with moderate mileage can be found for $25,000 to $32,000. The single biggest advantage here is ergonomics built specifically around ease of use. The QX60 sits at a height that makes entry and exit genuinely effortless. No scrambling up into a lifted SUV, no dropping down into a low sports sedan. The second row captain's chairs slide and tilt with one motion for third row access, which sounds minor until you're the one climbing back there. Ride quality is tuned soft and absorbent, prioritizing a smooth, controlled float over cornering aggression, and the cabin is quiet enough for comfortable conversation at 70 miles an hour. On reliability, the current generation resolved the CVT transmission complaints that plagued earlier QX60 models. This one runs a conventional 9-speed automatic, which means none of the shudder or hesitation issues that scared people away from the previous generation. Standard safety technology across nearly every trim includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, features that used to be $1,000 options on German rivals and here come baked into the price you're already paying. Number 3. The Volvo XC90. Volvo built its entire modern identity around safety, and the XC90 is the clearest expression of that mission, which makes it strange that it barely comes up in casual SUV conversations. New pricing spans $60,000 to $80,000 across trims, and used examples with the T6 mild hybrid 4-cylinder run $32,000 to $42,000. This is arguably the safest SUV sold today, full stop. Volvo's engineering culture treats every model as a rolling safety laboratory, and the XC90 carries that forward with standard features most brands still charge for: runoff road protection, rear cross traffic alert with automatic braking, and a pilot assist system for hands-on semi-autonomous highway driving. The seats are famously supportive over long distances, designed by a company that spent decades studying orthopedic comfort, and the driving position offers excellent visibility in every direction, which reduces the mental fatigue of navigating traffic and parking lots. On mechanical side, Volvo shifted away from complex 6-cylinder and V8 engines years ago in favor of a turbocharged 4-cylinder platform that's proven simpler and cheaper to maintain. Routine service costs on the T6 run notably lower than comparable BMW or Audi 6-cylinder models, because there's less complexity under the hood to go wrong. The interior design is understated and calm rather than button-heavy and overwhelming, with a large portrait touchscreen that groups functions logically instead of burying them 3 menus deep. Number 2. the Genesis VG80. Genesis is Hyundai's luxury division, and that connection alone causes plenty of people to dismiss this SUV without ever sitting in one, which is a genuine mistake because the VG80 undercuts its German competition by a wide margin while matching or beating them on comfort. New pricing runs $58,000 to $75,000, and used examples with low mileage can be found for $38,000 to $48,000. An unusually small depreciation gap for a vehicle this new to the market, which tells you something about how well it's been received by the people who actually own one. The warranty alone changes the ownership math entirely. Genesis backs the VG80 with a 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, roughly double the coverage of BMW, Mercedes, or Audi, which means the exact expiration day risk that haunts European luxury SUVs is simply not a factor here for the first decade of ownership. The cabin is finished with genuinely upscale materials, quilted leather, real metal trim, and a build quality that independent reviewers have repeatedly compared favorably against cars costing $20,000 more. Ride comfort leans plush and controlled, adaptive suspension smooths out rough pavement without feeling disconnected, and the cabin is hushed at speed thanks to laminated glass and heavy sound insulation. Reliability scores from independent consumer surveys have placed the VG80 above most of its German rivals since launch, and complimentary maintenance for the first 3 years of ownership removes one more variable from the equation entirely. Which brings us to number 1, the Lexus GX460. If there's one SUV on this list that deserves to be shouted from the rooftops and somehow still isn't, it's this one. New pricing runs $53,000 to $65,000, and used examples, even with 60,000 to 80,000 miles, hold value so well that you'll typically pay $35,000 to $45,000. This is not a car that depreciates the way luxury SUVs are supposed to. Here's why. The GX460 is built on a body-on-frame truck platform shared with the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and uses a naturally aspirated V8 with no turbochargers, no complex hybrid system, and no dual-clutch transmission to fail. It is, by a wide margin, the most mechanically simple vehicle on this entire list, and that simplicity is precisely why Lexus and Toyota vehicles built this way routinely cross 200,000 miles with nothing more than scheduled maintenance. The ride height makes entry and exit effortless, the seating position is commanding and upright with excellent outward visibility, and the interior, while less flashy than the Genesis or Volvo, is finished with the kind of understated, screw-it-together-right quality Lexus has built its entire reputation on. Owner satisfaction and reliability scores for the GX460 consistently rank at or near the very top of the luxury SUV segment year after year without exception. It isn't the quietest cabin here, and it isn't the most modern-looking dashboard, but it is the SUV you can buy once, maintain on a predictable schedule, and never think about again, which, when you actually add up what the other brands cost in surprise repairs, may be the most luxurious feature of all. So here's what ties all 5 of these together, plus one more that almost made the cut. Bonus: the Acura MDX Advance. This one got left off the main 5 only because it's slightly less of a secret than the others, but it deserves a mention because it does something none of the top 5 quite manage. It blends genuine Honda-level mechanical simplicity with real luxury trim comfort, at a price that undercuts every SUV on this list. New pricing for the Advance trim runs $50,000 to $58,000, and used examples with 40,000 to 50,000 miles can be found for $26,000 to $32,000. The naturally aspirated V6 under the hood is essentially the same well-proven engine family Honda has used across its lineup for over 2 decades, paired with a conventional automatic transmission instead of anything experimental. There's no turbocharger to eventually need a rebuild, no dual-clutch unit to hesitate at low speed, and no air suspension to sag with age, just a straightforward drivetrain that Honda-trained technicians at any dealership in the country can service without a specialist referral. The cabin in Advanced trim adds quilted leather, ventilated front seats, and a genuinely quiet ride for the price point, though it doesn't quite match the hushed cabin of the Volvo or the material quality of the Genesis. Where it wins is total cost of ownership. Independent long-term reliability surveys consistently place the NDX near the top of the mid-sized luxury SUV segment, often ahead of every European competitor and several of the Japanese ones as well. For a buyer who wants the comfort features without stretching the budget, this is the one to cross-shop against all 5 before deciding. Now, here's what ties everything on this list together. Every single one prioritizes a smooth, comfortable ride over aggressive handling, because that's what actually matters on the roads you drive every day. Every one offers an easy, low-effort entry and exit, because climbing in and out of a vehicle shouldn't be a workout. And every one either simplifies the mechanical complexity that causes expensive repairs, or backs the vehicle with a warranty long enough that complexity stops being your financial problem. None of these will get you compliments from a stranger who doesn't know cars. What they will get you is a vehicle that starts every morning, rides like a cloud, and doesn't turn your retirement savings into a mechanic's retainer. The badges everyone's chasing aren't wrong exactly, they're just solving a different problem than most drivers actually have. If comfort, reliability, and predictable costs matter more than a hood ornament, this list is one worth paying attention to, whether anyone else is talking about it or not. One more thing worth doing before you shop any of these. Sit in the driver's seat with the same shoes and jacket you'd actually wear on a normal errand day, and check 3 things: how far you have to reach for the seatbelt, how easily the door opens in a tight parking space, and how the seat feels after 20 minutes, not 20 seconds. Showroom comfort and real comfort aren't always the same thing, and the difference matters with every year that passes. Pick the SUV that disappears underneath you, not the one that impresses you for the first 5 minutes. If one of these 5 surprised you, drop the name in the comments, because there's a good chance you already know someone shopping for their next SUV right now who's never even heard of half this list. Hit subscribe if you want the next one of these before it's all over the internet, and if you're still deciding between 2 of them, tell me which 2. That's exactly the kind of comparison worth covering next.